Hello everyone. In this class we will discuss about how to find slope of a line, whether it is passing through any points or it makes an angle with the positive x-axis. Okay. So slope of a straight line we are denoting as small m. So we have two formulas to find out a slope. One is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this formula we can use to find out a slope whenever line is passing through some points and that points are given. Okay, for example, you can see that this red line, let's say it is passing through the point x1 comma y1 and one more point is given x2 comma y2. So to find out the slope of this line, okay, we are using this change of this y coordinate divided by change of the x coordinate. By using this we can easily find out the slope, which is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. The another formula we have, which is m is equal to tan theta. So this formula we can use to find out a slope whenever our straight line makes an angle with the positive x-axis, okay, like this in the anti-clockwise direction. So if we know the angle, then to find out a slope we will use the formula m is equal to tan theta. Okay, and suppose whenever our line is parallel to x-axis like this, so you can see that whenever the line is parallel to x-axis, in that case the slope value is nothing but 0. Okay, let's solve some examples to find out a slope by different formulas by using this. So the question is, find the slope of a line passing through the point. First question is 1 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 4. Second minus 2 comma 3 and 5 comma 7, and this is the third question. So we have three questions. In all the question we have to find out the slope when the line passing through this point. So let's solve the first question. So 2 points are given, line is passing through the point 1 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 4. Okay, so whenever line is passing through the points and points are given, the formula we have m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So let's consider this, our first point is x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2. So substitute the value, y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2 divided by x2 is 3 minus x1 is 1. So 4 as it is, here minus and minus getting plus, 2 divided by 3 minus 1, which is 2. So 4 plus 2, which is 6 by 2. So 2 into 2 3 is 6. So slope of the first line is 3. Look at the second one. Same question, we have to find out a slope and line is passing through these 2 points. So here let's consider this minus 2 is x1, 3 is y1, and this second point is x2 y2. Again the same formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 7 minus y1 is 3 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is minus 2. So 7 minus 3, which is 4 divided by 5 minus minus here plus 2. So 4 upon 5 plus 2, which is 7. So slope for the second line, which is 4 by 7. And the third one is line is passing through the point 5 comma 6 and 5 comma minus 1. So let's consider x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is 6 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is also 5. So minus 1 minus 6, which is minus 7 divided by 5 minus 5, which is 0. Okay, so denominator is 0, so slope is not defined. Okay, so in this case our slope is not defined. So slope is not defined, that means the line is parallel to y-axis. That means maximum slope is there here. Okay, Look at the next type of question when line is making an angle with the positive x-axis. Okay, so the question is find the equation of a line, not equation, find the slope of a line which subtends an angle of 60 degree with the positive x-axis. Okay, we have to find out a slope of a line which subtends an angle of 60 degree with positive x-axis. Okay, so if I draw the line, this is our positive x-axis, so line will be like this, making an angle of 60 degree with the positive x-axis. Okay, it is passing through anywhere on the x-axis, but angle is 60 degree. So in this question, theta is given, which is 60 degree, and we have to find out a slope. Okay, so to find out a slope when theta is given, we have the formula m is equal to tan theta. Okay, so tan theta is 60, so tan 60. So now remember the value of tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degree, which is 1 by root 3, tan 45, that is 1, tan 60 degree, which is root 3, and tan 90 degree, that is not defined. Okay, so here we have tan 60 degree, that means the answer is root 3. So slope of this line is nothing but m is equal to root 3. So this is a practice question for you. Find the slope of a line passing through minus 5, 3 and minus 1, minus 2. Solve by using the given formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and comment your answer in the comment section. Thank you.